In the summer of 2013, the world woke up to a truth it was never meant to see. A truth buried deep inside classified slides, hidden behind sealed court orders, and protected by the most powerful intelligence agency on Earth. That truth was PRISM, a secret surveillance program run by the National Security Agency, designed to reach into the digital lives of people across the planet. What began as a tool to monitor foreign threats quietly evolved into something far larger, something woven into the very architecture of the Internet itself. A system built not on transparency, but on silence. PRISM operated under the legal framework of the Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Act, a law intended to target individuals outside the United States. But the documents revealed by Edward Snowden showed a different reality. Through PRISM, the NSA gained access to emails, video calls, stored files, search histories, the intimate digital fingerprints of everyday life. And this access came directly from the servers of the world's biggest technology companies. The Internet, once imagined as a space of freedom, had become a vast reservoir of data waiting to be tapped. Snowden's decision to expose this system began with a single moment. He watched as the Director of National Intelligence denied, under oath, that the government collected data on millions of Americans. That denial, he later said, was the breaking point. What followed was one of the most significant leaks in modern history, a revelation that exposed not only PRISM, but the global surveillance ecosystem surrounding it. Programs like Xkeyscore, Tempora, and Echelon formed a network capable of capturing communications flowing through undersea cables, satellites, and cloud servers. PRISM was just one window into a much larger machine. The impact was immediate. Governments demanded answers. Citizens questioned the safety of their digital lives. Tech companies scrambled to rebuild trust, accelerating the rise of end-to-end encryption. Diplomatic tensions flared as allies learned their leaders had been monitored. And for the first time, the public understood that surveillance wasn't a distant threat, it was embedded in the tools they used every day. The story of PRISM forces us to confront a defining question of the digital age: how much privacy are we willing to surrender in the name of security, and who gets to decide? Snowden's revelations didn't end surveillance, but they illuminated it. They exposed the hidden power structures shaping our digital world and reminded us that information is the currency of control. In a world where every message, every search, every click leaves a trace, the battle for privacy is no longer theoretical. It's happening now, in the shadows of the systems we rely on. PRISM is not just a program. It is a warning, a reminder that the greatest threats to freedom may not come from outside, but from the quiet expansion of systems built in the dark. And as global surveillance continues to evolve, the question remains: who watches the watchers?